Hey guys! In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Discord stuck on a gray or black screen. Let's dive right into it. First, we have to quit Discord completely. Click on this arrow on the bottom right, then right-click on Discord from here, then click on Quit. Next, press the Windows key R to open the Run command. In this box, type to appdata% and hit OK. Now you'll see a folder named Discord. What you need to do is simple. Just delete this folder. Don't worry, this won't delete your Discord account or any important data. Once you've deleted the folder, open Discord. You'll notice that it's downloading some updates. That's because we deleted its cache and some temporary files. After it finishes updating, Discord should open normally. Go ahead and sign in, and you're good to go. And that's how you fix Discord stuck on a gray or black screen. If this video was helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.